People out in the industry are using these softwares, and so if they get experience using them in the classroom, it makes them more qualified to go out into the industry and work.
When I asked the vice presidents of the mining companies, what do you want? What do you want us to train our students with? They typically ask for three things. AutoCAD, a database program like Vulkan, and surveying. If I can have students with these three skills, they're always ready to hire.
I think Vulkan is one of the big softwares, one of the leaders in the mining industry, and because it offers a very integrated software, it provides a tool that for the students is good to learn, because they'll be able to apply it to different areas of mining, design and geostats and open pit and underground.
I'm at Maptek North American headquarters in Denver, Colorado at the Train the Trainer training. People from other universities were all getting trained so that we can go back and train our students.
I'm from Nevada. I got my PhD from Nevada. Almost all the mines that we have, underground mines that we have in Nevada, they use Vulkan. So it's very crucial for the students to know Vulkan, at least to understand how Vulkan works.
You can't be a mine engineer without knowing the software. And the software which is applied in the industry, if you know that in detail, I think you will be much better off when you're applying for a job.
It has improved the quality of courses that we teach. We have integrated Vulkan in underground mine design, open pit mine design, and we have a separate class called computer-aided mine design using Vulkan.
Maptek is one of the best supporters of our university. We're getting the software and support much easily and very smoothly.
Getting access to the software licenses for teaching, I think it's great, and is having a good vision about what a software company should be doing. Giving access to the students to licenses so they learn, and then they will require the software when they are in the market, and they'll know the benefits of the software before they go out to search for jobs and to actually work in the mining industry.